Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a popular cryptocurrency, Litecoin. There have been a few adjustments on the chart because the market is just not taking off yet. So we'll take a look at the updated chart right now. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. We navigate to our cryptocurrencies section. If you like to get all of these updates every single day, you can register on our website completely for free. You also get updates about tech stocks, general stocks, US stocks, the S&P 500, and of course a lot of cryptocurrencies. So you can see we're covering Litecoin, XRP, Kronos. Last week we covered Decentraland, Fetch AI, ADA, VeChain, Polygon, Phantom, a lot of others. So yeah, you might be interested here. So we select Litecoin now, and on the Litecoin chart here we can see first of all the long-term targets. They are mathematical projections. So as you can see here on the weekly chart, the price hasn't really done much since the 2022 low. So at the moment we're tracking this as a so-called 1-2 setup, actually a 1-2-1-2 setup. You see this green wave 2 of a larger degree on the left hand side. Of course the bulls need to do something here. This is not yet very indicative of a third wave to the upside, so it's not very clear if a third wave has already started. You see the market has pretty much only been moving sideways since 2022. We can still consider this a 1-2 setup on a smaller time frame, ready for a third wave breakout to the upside. But you can see that this market has basically been moving 2 years just sideways. Yes, there has been some volatility, and yeah, I mean, it still has been noteworthy. I mean, these cryptocurrencies, even if we zoom out, even if it looks like they haven't actually moved, I mean, even Litecoin, I mean, moved above $100, yeah, and then okay, has retraced again and moved again up and down again. So we see that volatility, but it is not yet showing us clear parabolic third wave behavior, which is what we would expect if this really was a third wave already. Where we might be in the early stages of it, and it's quite a large wave degree, so it might take a while before it takes off. But please note that with any analysis, you get an invalidation point as well. With any Elliott wave analysis, it is very, very clear where the scenario that we are following here, primarily on the chart, will be invalidated. And at the moment, the price is $60. The invalidation point on the weekly chart is $22.15. So that's the invalidation point. We have to take a look at the daily chart in a minute to take a look at the microstructures, yeah. But this is a relevant level on the weekly chart. This would clearly not be bullish if we break below it. Now to the upside, we have levels at $296.33 and $414.04. These are key resistance levels to the upside, which need to be broken in order to unlock prices in the region of $823 or higher, which would be a long-term projection. But certain things need to happen on the smaller time frames. First of all, to keep this scenario alive, and then also to increase our confidence, because we need some kind of upside momentum, some kind of evidence that this uptrend has started. So let's go to the daily chart. Here you can see, as I said, a key level, which is a little bit closer than this $22 level I just mentioned on the weekly chart. Here on the daily chart, you can see also a 1-2 setup, which might be forming right now, where the wave 2 is a WXY structure. And this wave 2 can be considered nearly complete, but we need a first micro 5-wave move to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback. That just means we need a bit of a rally and a higher low in the subsequent pullback to give us an indication that this wave 2, which is highlighted in blue, is complete. Now the $40.25 level, this is a very, very important, yeah, it's basically an invalidation point. Below this level, I just showed you on the weekly chart, that $22 level, a lower level will apply, probably this $22.23 level, but we could still allow for a larger wave 2. Yeah? So it would still be an alternative bullish scenario, but please note that there is absolutely no evidence at this stage that the price is turning around. We need to see what happens here now. I mean, we are very close to that invalidation point. So if the bulls want to turn up, they should do it from here, but I can't see it yet based on this chart. And the $116 level 05 needs to be broken to the upside in order to unlock prices. We go back to the weekly chart in the region around $296 to $414 next. So this is a relevant level, a relevant key breakout level on the daily chart. So we have to be a little bit patient. I mean, it's the entire altcoin sector that's suffering at the moment. I know a lot of people are waiting for a potential altcoin season. It clearly hasn't started yet. Well, we can still watch for it. I mean, the scenarios are not invalidated yet. So that's the update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also register on our website, dailymarketupdate.com, for additional updates. And let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies, stocks, tech stocks, or other assets you want me to cover in a future video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.